Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Ollama and VLLM. In order to do so, here we are at ollama.com and we're also at docs.vllm.ai. In order to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any given time, giving you access to some of the top AI chat models available. According to Cider, Ollama is a platform service for running large language models locally. Its focus is a user-friendly interface for interacting with LLMs, and it's typically aimed at individual users or small teams. It features easy setup and integrates with various models, often emphasizing privacy and local use, and its use case is simplifying deploying and using LLMs without extensive technical setup. VLLM, on the other hand, is a framework or architecture for running large-scale language models. Its focus is optimizing performance and scalability for very large models, often used by researchers and advanced practitioners. It features efficient inference, supports distributed training, and handles huge models. It is for deploying, training, or experimenting with massive language models at scale. In summary, Ollama is more about ease of use and accessibility for end users or developers wanting local, private LLM interactions. VLLM, on the other hand, is a technical framework aimed at deploying and managing very large models efficiently at scale, typically with more complexity. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.